Hello and welcome back to this channel. Hello and welcome back to this channel. Welcome back. Listen. Hello and welcome to this channel. Welcome to this platform. Hope you're doing well, and I hope you are fine wherever you are. Welcome back, my new subscribers. Welcome the returning subscribers. Feel at home. So when mmekuwa mkiulizia wedding ina come soon, you see kuna wedding ina come soon. So I thought why not take you with me, because I'm planning to get out of town, that is Nairobi, for a trip, a 1 week business trip, a 1 week spiritual trip, a 1 week trip. So I'm going to take you with me. As you can see, niko na matuta, ni usiku, but it's raw and candid, as they say it in Professor Hamo's and Mutai's channel. So I hope you will enjoy this trip with me. So I think the first clip will be packing with me, so that you can know the essentials that you need to pack when you are going for a trip. And then the second, I will show you where we are going, the process of going for the trip, and then we'll see what next. So without further ado, let me take you through the process of packing. Okay, so get ready with me. Hello guys, so I'm going to take you through the process of my packing process. Of course, I know you will get some of the tips that you need when you're going for a vacation or for a trip or for a staycation. So to start it off, I'm going to be using 3 bags, the small one of course, and then these are the ones that will be carrying the luggage. Okay, so this first one is quite big and it has some partitions too. This is some partitions, so they come in handy. So this will be, I'll carry my sneakers on this side, I will carry other shoes on this side, and then we'll see what will be in this section. Okay, number 2, we will be having this African bag. It's so big and it will serve me well for this trip. Okay, and just in case you will need to have such kind of bags, this one, the African print, please DM me in my Instagram at Askah, and I will link you up with one of my friends who sells these bags at a very affordable price. Okay, ndio siku unabeba bags mingi, and we can have one bag that can fit all our things for a week. This is quite, ita fit, ni kubwa sana, by the way. It fits a laptop and some more things. Okay, so in case you need such a bag like this, you can DM me and I will link you up in with my friends so that you can get such kind of a bag. Okay, so for my case, I do have a packing list. Whenever I'm going for a trip or for a staycation, I always have a packing list, and so this will be my packing list. Okay, I had written it down earlier before, like 2 days ago, so that I don't forget anything that I'm supposed to carry. Okay, so we're going to kick it off. Okay, and I hope you will learn one or more things from this video on how you can pack your things when going for a trip or for a vacation. Okay, so we are going to start it off with skin products. Okay, so these are my skin products. Msijali, nilikuwa nimeziarrange hivi kwa bed so that niwaonyeshe how you can pack, or niwaonyeshe tu vile mi upack, tuende na nyi safari, si ndio? Okay, I hope next time mtapata partner tuende na yeye. Okay, so my skin products. Okay, so these are basically what I'm going to use. Okay, so let's kick it off from here. So this is Armis, of course, and I'm going to carry it in the smaller tin because this is so big. Okay, and of course a hand sanitizer, corona manienos, so I have to have one. This is castor oil. This is rose water and glycerin. Focus. Yeah, there. This is coconut oil for my hair. Focus, you can focus. Yeah, so that's coconut oil. This is olive oil. This is my Vaseline, and this is my styling gel. And of course I did want to carry the whole package of designer perfume, so I decided to carry this one. So this one, it's an idea. It will be enough for the 1 week staycation. Okay, and this is the lotion that I use. Okay, so basically that's it. And of course you have to remember to carry your sunscreen. I think it's I will show you later. It's my in my other bag. So these are basically the products that I am going to use. Na msijali hizi zote, hata si zote. When you hear your girl is going out and has to carry all these products, but it is what it is. Okay, so basically that's it for my number one product, my number one item in the list. So number two is personal items. Okay, so for a lady, of course, we have the personal items that we have to carry when going to somewhere. So I'll be carrying the wet wipes in this large package because I know I will need them. Okay, and then number two, I'll be carrying the panty liners, and of course some 2 pads just in case of something. So that's it. So for a girl or for a lady, please remember to be always having these ones. Hata si uwe unaweza tumia, you can even meet someone who has none and you can give them yeah, if they're in need of one. Okay, so always remember to carry your personal items. Okay, and then in that line, of course, I will remember to carry my sunscreen. Okay, so these are the sunscreen, and in that line my charger. Okay, because of course sisi watu wa type C. Joking, lol. So that is it. So these are the personal items and the products in one side. Okay, so number three, it will be clothing and shoes. Okay, clothing and shoes. So for my 1 week, this will be what I'll be carrying. So of course, because na hii baridi, you never know, so I'll be carrying 2 pairs of gloves. I'll be having 2 handkerchiefs. I'll be having socks because I'm going to wear some sneakers and they will need socks, and I'll be having a scarf. Okay, just in case kutakuwa na baridi, and I know kutakuwa na baridi, so this one will come in handy, and the other one that I'll be wearing on that day. Okay, so and of course I'll have to carry my belts because I'm going to hizi kando ndio nionyeshe. So I will have to carry my belt. So I decided to carry these ones. They are 4 because I'm going to accessorize it with the dresses that I'm having. So this is the first belt, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. Okay, so these are my belts. So sikuwa nataka ndio ni pack na haraka zangu and then I forget my belts, and then ukifika tu huko unapata hauna belt na nguo inahitaji belt. Okay, so these are my belts, and then of course you will have to carry your innerwears and your underwears that are enough for you for the staycation. So these are my underwears, and then I will have a swimming costume. Here it is, and I will have some biker shorts. Okay, So they come in handy. By the way, let me show you how vile zinakaa. Sina mtu wa camera, so let me show you how they come. I decided to go with the white one because inakaa tu poa. So this is how the top looks, and this is how the short looks. So it's a top and a short. Okay, so this one will come in handy. So I'm going to fold it again. So this is the swimming costume. Okay, yeah, so the main clothes, of course, they're here. There are a number of them. So yeah, in case I want to change my mind, I will have a choice, but they just fit for a week. So juu sikuwa nataka kubeba manguo mingi mingi. Sipendangi kubeba mizigo, by the way, na sijapata PA wa kunibebea. So these are the clothes that I'm going to be using. Okay, and of course you have to have a Masai shuka when you're traveling, if it's long distance, because it will come in handy. Okay, and hii ni chocolate mint and crunch. For the love of chocolate, nilikuwa nishamaliza kuikula, but it's one of the snacks I'm going to carry. Okay, so tumemaliza na hiyo sekta ya nguo, my underwears, my belts, my scarf, my swimming costume, my biker shorts, my personal items, my skin products, and that's it. So for the shoes, I'm going to carry one sneaker, one flat shoe, and I will see. So three pairs. Okay, so moving swiftly to our next item, which is vlogging items. Okay, so I'm going to pack them. I'm going to carry the small tripod, so I'll package it in this box, of course. So yeah, that's it. Because I'm using the other items to in recording this video, you can't be able to see them, but yeah. So the next item is business articles. Stroke. I need to stroke this and add some documents. Okay, so for of course, yes, I'm going for a business trip, so I will need this for reference, and these are the drawings that I will need to use. So yeah, they will be in there, and of course I will need my documents. Here are all of them. Nimezieka tu hapo juu basha, it's kind of strong, and yeah, that's it. So yeah, that's my passport and that's my ID. So here they go. And then of course I will need a notebook to note down some of the important things. So that's the notebook that I'm going to carry. Okay, and number 6 in my list is a book or a novel that I'm reading. Okay, so this will be the notebook, of course, and the book I'm currently reading is this book, Across the Bridge. So it will come in handy when traveling. Okay, so that is it. Those are the documents, the passport, the ID, and everything, and for the laptop and the mouse. Okay, so the next thing we are going to see is water bottle. So a comfy one. So I decided to use this one because it's cute, of course, and I decided to go with white. Okay, so the next item is snacks. So for the snacks, I'm going to, of course, carry the more of chocolate because I love chocolate, and in the morning I will purchase some yogurt, and I think some yogurt will do, and because I will be having the chocolate, that will be it. So yeah, I hope you have learned from my nugget on how you can pack when going out for a trip, or when you are going for a vacation. So in case you may need to use my packing list, this is it. Yeah, you can add some of your items and you'll be good to go. Okay, so I hope to see you when I'll be in the journey. Okay, so I pray, as my parting shot, I pray for you so that you may get to realize your dreams, and so that you may get to be strong when, or even so, when even naongea nini, you may get to be strong when strength is the only option that you have to take. Okay, so without much further ado, I'll see you in the journey. Okay.